Hello, my name is Tarun Agarwal, and in this video I'm going to explain you how to convert a YouTube video into an automated webinar using EverWebinar. So go to EverWebinar. Once you log into EverWebinar, by the way, if you don't have access to Webinarjam and EverWebinar, go to my affiliate link, go to dnaclub.in/webinarjam, and you can get access of Webinarjam 30 days trial for just $1. Okay, so go ahead, and I'm giving you this clickable link in this video description as well. Okay, so once you open Webinarjam, okay, click on add webinar, right? And here you can find there are two options: an external video file or a previous Webinarjam live session. So if I select an external video file here, I have to enter MP4, YouTube or Vimeo Pro file, that URL. So let's go to YouTube, okay, and on YouTube, I'm opening my own YouTube channel, Tarun Agarwal. Okay, suppose this is my YouTube video.
I want to give you
and
something really very special.
Let's mute this. Okay, and let's copy this URL. I'm copying this URL and I'm putting it here. Okay, so now click on confirm. Okay, it is asking for the duration of the video. Now let me check it out. 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Okay, so 4 minutes and 33 seconds. So exactly I have mentioned here. Okay, now confirm. So once I do this, now basic settings, now webinar name, you can just type the name of the webinar. Okay, digital tools knowledge, digital tools demo example. Okay, description. Okay, confirm. Then presenter name, all these things you can fill up. Okay, confirm, go ahead, next. Okay, so this way what we are doing is we are using the existing YouTube video for the webinar. Okay, so this I'm not going to the entire process, but I hope you understand this is the configuration. But now the problem here is when you there is one problem. The problem is when you use a YouTube video for the automated webinar. In this case, the problem is it is going to show you a small icon of a logo of YouTube. Okay, and the person can understand that this is a YouTube video which is being played. Okay, so the person can understand this. Now this is one thing you can do like this, but if you think that if you are actually considering this as pure live event and with the live chats and dynamic count of the attendees, then this is not a good option. Okay, now the better option is to use a previous Webinarjam live session. But now you want to convert a YouTube video. Okay, you want to convert this YouTube video into a live event. So what we can do, what I suggest to you is, what we do is we go to Webinarjam. Okay, and in Webinarjam I create a new webinar. Okay, let's click on express. Okay, schedule for later. So what I usually do, I set up a new Webinarjam event, and in the Webinarjam event, okay, let's select the other one, full configuration, or let's do express configuration, that's fine. Okay, add webinar, express configuration to make it fast. Let's refresh it. So what I usually do is I basically digital tools demo. Okay, and then confirm. So what I do is I copy the URL from here, and in the webinar jam event, okay, suppose I select a particular date, that's fine, suppose. Okay, confirm, finish. So what I do, suppose this is a Webinarjam event, I click on your link. Instead of that, I click on edit. Okay, full configuration, schedule for later. So here in the live section, okay, I inject a video. Okay, I inject a video from here, video name, like say for example webinar video. I inject a video from here. Okay, so when I actually do this live event as a live webinar in Webinarjam, if I click on your links, okay, it will take some time. Let me refresh it. So basically what I'm doing is I'm setting up a Webinarjam event, which is a live webinar. Here I have injected a YouTube video. Now when I start the Webinarjam event, okay, as a presenter, I will just play the YouTube video. Only for fraction of few seconds, milliseconds, it will show YouTube video title, and then later on I just play a video. I just play YouTube video in a live webinar event, and then once this is over, I just finish the webinar. Okay, close the webinar. After once the entire YouTube video is played, then you can go to EverWebinar and convert this live webinar into an automated webinar. Okay, suppose I go to the live room. Just see, I went to the live room. Continue, test. Okay, done. And hello. Next, go ahead. Enter room. Okay. Hello all. So I've switched off this. Now if I go live here, I've started a live event. So what I will do, I will just play a video. Now before that, I just open the video. Okay, live event starting. Okay, and then I will just play the video. That's it, like this. Right, so this is the way. I mean, just only for few seconds it displayed the title of the video, and now I'm just playing the entire video. Once this entire video is over, I will just close the webinar, and then I will convert this webinar into an automated webinar using EverWebinar. So this is the way how you can convert your YouTube video into an automated webinar using EverWebinar and Webinarjam. Okay, and also in EverWebinar, once this is done, you can then later on you can add more things, like you can add some comments, okay, some chats, live chats, and all those things you can configure later on, right? Okay, so just try this out, and if you have any question related to Webinarjam, you can put in the comment box below. And also, if you want my help, my team's help to set up Webinarjam for you, you can also book a free consultation call with us. Check out the link in this video description. I'm giving you the complete details, and also get access to Webinarjam for 30 days for just $1. Try it out. This is the best webinar tool I have seen. Okay, and many of my webinars are going into auto mode. Okay, and I'm truly living a life of freedom, and this is basically helping me to earn passive income. Go ahead, take action, try it out. I'm into network marketing business, and also promote some tools. So things are good, going good because of this tool. Thank you Genesis team. Thank you to EverWebinar and Webinarjam. Thank you.